Let's take a look at the Imaje 500 double head machine, its accessories, and an explanation of each part. This part here is its bracket, the main bracket as a whole. Alright, this is the controller. And here are the two printhead, springhead 1 and printhead 2. There are the printhead. This is the controller, and here are the manuals, the official website, and the main power supply. The main power supply for the controller. And this is the network cable. These two are the power supplies for the printheads. And those two are the communication cables. The communication cables below. And then connect the yellow communication cable.